everybody, welcome to VeenasKitchen.com. I am Veena and today I will show you how to make some medu vadas. Medu vadas are such wonderful and tasty and crispy snacks that you can have it during breakfast, or you can have it for as a accompany with the evening tea time snacks. So let's get started. To make medu vada, we will need 3 cups of black gram dal. Soak it in water overnight. Next day, drain away all the water with a strainer. In a blender, add the urad dal, very little water, and make a thick paste. You can add about half to 1 glass of water while blending it in a blender while making the thick paste. Take a large vessel and add the blended urad dal paste, which is very thick in consistency now. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and mix it very well. I am not just mixing it here, but I am also beating it at the same time to incorporate some air in it, which will result in fluffy, light and crispy medu vadas. Okay, I did not realize that this was not closed. The camera was not on when I added black pepper, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Let me show you the close-up. Okay, I added 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I added 1 chopped onion and then finely chopped ginger and curry leaves. I am so sorry, the camera was off when I was actually adding, and I thought the camera will be on. So I am going to mix them very well now. Yeah, but you might have noticed that I had a peppercorn in this. So I am going to mix everything very well. Again, notice that when we add onion, there will be a lot of water that will come out of the onion into the batter. So that water will also be there in the batter. So we need to add very little water when we actually add water while mixing it or blending it. Okay, so I have now that I have added 1 teaspoon of, okay, all the ingredients will be listed anyway in the description bar, so nothing to worry. Okay, now we have a very nice batter, mixed well and nice, ready. See, all the cups are, so this was my onion. I feel so sorry, but that's okay, no problem, it's just you guys. Okay, so our medu vada batter is ready. Let's go and make some wonderful medu vadas. So now medu vada has donut shape. So what I'll do, this is a little water. I just dip my hand gently in the water, and then I'm going to take some medu vada in my hand and make balls, and then with the thumb I'm going to just press it at the center to make it a donut shape. Take a portion of batter like so, make it a round ball, and what you need to do is, okay, so now we have it like this. So this is quite a ball. You can see it is shaking because of the water. Now dip your thumb in the water and then press it from here. You get something like this. We will go ahead and deep fry this. Let it become nice golden brown in color. Hold it dry. The medu vada is now become nice golden brown in color. Let us now take it in a serving dish. There you go. Delicious medu vada is now ready to be served. Hot medu vadas are now ready to be served. So let's see if Oh wow, it's very hot, but it's awesome. It's very nice and crispy. It's very nice and very light and fluffy and very... Oh my god, oh. Delicious vadas are now ready to be served. Well friends, that was Medu vada. I hope you enjoyed watching this dish, and please do try it out. This is very simple, not as difficult as we think it is, but yes, do definitely try it out and do let me know how it came out, and also do share your photos with me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is @veenaskitchen.com. so this is one word. You can just tag me to your photos and I will have a look at it and also post it on the YouTube channel with your name and the photo in it. Well friends, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it and creating it for you. Thank you so much for watching. Wish you all a happy Onam, and also my heartily and also prayers to all the flood victims of Kerala. I hope they will bounce back soon with their normal lives. And yes, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. You have a lovely day.